A federal judge ordered the captain in the 2019 Conception dive boat disaster to pay restitution to the families of 3 of the 34 people killed. Jerry Boylan will have to pay about $32,000 to the families who submitted documentation for funeral expenses. Several financial claims made by other families are in dispute, and the judge did not grant restitution for expenses like counseling, lost income, and legal fees. Boylan was found guilty last year of misconduct or neglect of a ship's officer and sentenced to 4 years in prison. He is out on bail while he appeals his conviction.